There's a guy. Yeah, you got a guy? Where's he gonna go, in the water? You can put him in the water? There he goes. Mary's playing with a bucket of bubbles. Oh, that's a choke toy. Here, let's take that away from you. Here, you can play with that one.
Mama.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, it's homemade.
Really? Oh, wow, that's lettuce.
Oh, it's so wet. It's wet.
Yeah, it is wet. Did you put it in the water? Yeah, he can go in the water. Yay.